This dress is giving. Hello, what's goody? It's your girl Brie MH back at it again with another video. So as you can see by the title, today's video is a try on haul, a Fashion Nova try on haul. I feel like this is too short. It's a Fashion Nova try on haul, okay people? Yeah, so it's not a lot of clothing or anything like that. It's just a few items. I just decided like, hey, let me show. Can't even talk. Let me show you guys what I bought. So I'm already wearing the first item. So this is a little romper. It's the Buenos Aires or something like that. Romper. I'll put the name. The links will be in the description box and the size will be on the screen because sometimes I forget to tell you what size it is, but I believe this is a 2X. Let me back it up for you guys. Yeah. This is the romper. I'm in the tree. Wow. Okay. Yep. But yeah, this is very cute. I've ordered one of these before. Very comfortable material, you know what I mean? It's kind of sexy, you know? It's just something you throw on and go. Like, you know, you have to run some errands, but you want to look cute. Like, yeah. The fupa's out. I don't give a who's gonna check me. I don't care. Okay, anyways, yeah, that's the first item. So I'm gonna put on the next item, and yeah, this is gonna be quick. I only got a few things, like dead serious. And I know it's summertime outside, but I got jeans. I don't know what's wrong with me. I should have bought shorts, but I bought jeans. But I'm gonna show you. There's some really nice, cute jeans. And my hair is really oily, sorry. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the second outfit. Both of these items are from Fashion Nova. So this white beater, or tank top. That's a horrible name. But this tank top is from Fashion Nova, 1X. And the jeans are a 1X as well. These jeans, when I tell you these jeans are fire, these jeans are fire. Don't talk. Don't talk when you're talking. Nah, okay, I have to back it up a little bit so you guys can see more. Okay, but no, seriously. These jeans are fire. They have the little split on the side. You know what I mean? So it's given sexiness. It's given hotness. I'm gonna insert a full body so you guys can see how this is really looking, but I actually love this. I love these jeans. They made my ass look incredible. Oh my days. Oh my God. So I got these jeans in a darker wash as well, so I'm gonna try those on next so you guys can see what the dark wash ones are giving. I definitely got a tan. Oh, this is what the back of this looks like. Yeah, I think this is called the Racer Tank or something like that. But like I said, all the links will be in the description box. This haul's almost over. And that's my treadmill. Okay, so here's the next item. The jeans. It's the same top as before, but these are just the jeans in a darker wash. These jeans are absolutely fire. And I lied, these are actually in a size 16. I want you guys to see the fit. Hold on. There's so much shit over here, but I want you guys to see. Huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? Relax. Relax and stay right there. Okay, I don't know if you guys will be able to see them. Maybe if I stand on the treadmill. Oh, wrong way. See the split? Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh, it started moving. I could have died. But I'm getting hot. It's hot in here, man. Get out of here, man. Get out of here, man. Shit. No, these jeans just make that. Wow, that's incredible. I didn't know that you were working with so much back there. Oh my God. Okay, sorry. But yeah, I love these jeans. These jeans are absolutely fire. I'm literally sweating. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna try on the next shirt. So I'll be back. Okay, so here's the next top. It has my horoscope sign. I'm a big Capricorn energy. You get me? Big Capricorn. Capricorn's the best sign. I don't give a what any of you guys have to say. Capricorn is the best sign when it comes to women though, like, because the Capricorn men, they suck. The only Capricorn men that's good in this life is Vybz Kartel, and I don't care what anybody has to say about it. But the women are elite. Tell me I'm lying. Everybody needs a female Capricorn in their life. Everyone. But yeah, this is that top. I love this shirt, but excuse me, Fashion Nova, get better glue or something, because why is one of the rhinestones off? I just got this not too long ago, and I wore it once and washed it once. Where is the rhinestone? Get better glue. That's all I have to say. Get better glue this instant, or else I'm gonna write a strongly worded letter to your factory or your wholesaler. Get it together. But yeah, it's cute. Of course, they have the other signs too, like, you know, the other little signs, but you know, if you're a Capricorn, like, get this one, like me, so we could be twinning. I actually really like this shirt a lot, even though I'm gonna have to replace this rhinestone. It's very cute. Like, this is cute. This is super cute. I love it. Okay, next item. I actually don't know why I made that face. I'm sorry, because that kind of scared me, but I'll be back. Okay, so this is the next top. So the thing about this top, I ordered it in a size smaller. So usually I would wear a 1X. This is in an extra large, and I ordered it an extra large because I thought it would be tighter, but that was a fail on my behalf. So this shirt is huge. I would size down. If you're gonna buy this shirt, size down, because it's really big to the point where I had to tie a knot at the back so that my tits are up here. If I didn't tie it, my tits would be at my knee. Yeah, I like this top. It's cute. Like, it's giving. Like, if you could see the full fit, I find that it's giving what it's supposed to give. I just wish that it was a bit tighter. Like, even this part will slide down and go underneath my roll. That's not okay. Cover the roll, okay? Cover it. That's what you're meant to do. It's a cute top nonetheless. If your tits are together, oh my. Look at that. That's why I need a boob job, so that they could be doing this. What are you segregated for? Get together. But anyways, yeah, okay, I'm gonna try on the next top. Is it still recording? Oh, sorry. Okay, I have to say, I think this is one of my favorite items. I actually just realized I got a lot of white stuff, but this dress right here, like, the fupa is there. The fupa is saying hello, but this dress is giving. What the hell? This dress is giving. I really like this dress. It's so long. I can't even show you guys how long it is, but it's very long. It's like going below my knee, and I really like it. Like, white, all white when I'm feeling godly, like, bye. Bro, I just need to lose this gut. When I lose this gut, it's over for you, bitches. I just really like it. My hair is really pissing me off because it was so pretty the other day, and then I sweated out doing too much at a party, doing too freaking much. So now it's just oily and stringy. It looks weird, but anyways, that's besides the point. This dress is just fire. I wish I had something to stand on. It's just so cute. I'll insert a full body so you guys can see it proper, but it's mad cute. Like, what? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? I don't think I've asked you guys that enough today. Are you dumb? When I put on this next gown, when I put on this next dress on my body, you will be asking yourself if you're dumb. It's hot. It's hot. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is the next dress. Before anybody tries to say, no, girl, that dress is too small for you, listen here. I don't care. And I'm gonna wear it outside, and I don't give a f. But yes, I ordered this dress in the extra large, okay? The only reason I did that is so that it could hold up the tits, and it's still not even doing that good of a job. But I believe that this dress can be worn multiple ways. So I think it can be worn like this, crisscross in the front and then crisscross in the back. I actually don't remember what it looked like on the model. I ordered these quite a while ago, so but oh my gosh, no. I like how it looks in the mirror. How come I'm not liking how it looks on camera? Oof, baby. I like it. I think I do. I can't really see, to be honest. In the mirror, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm gonna fix the strap so it's at the back so you guys can see what it looks like that way. Okay, so this is how it looks when it's crisscross in the back. I just wanna know, is there some type of lesson that I was supposed to learn with having long breasts? Like, why do I have these long things on my chest? This is so irritating. Because if they were up here, you know how much better this would look? Oh, so irritating. But that's it, crisscross in the back. I like this dress. I really feel like somebody's gonna say, no, that's too small. I don't care. I like it, and I'm going to wear it outside. Preferably with a crisscross in the front. I like it. I like it. And if I like it, who can tell me? They're just so long though. They're just so absolutely long. And it makes my torso look even shorter than it already is. Oh my gosh. Oh well, I'm gonna figure it out. Don't worry. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. That's literally it. I told you guys it was really nice, quick, fast, nice, and easy. Go in. So check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what item you like the best. Like, what are you guys feeling? Do you guys think that this dress is too small? Like, honestly, tell the truth. Tell the truth, okay? I'm sweating in between my legs at this time. Ooh, it's like flooding. So I'm gonna go. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. I have a try-on haul coming. Shein try-on haul coming soon with some bikinis in there for us fat people. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye. Thanks for watching.